Welcome to this video dedicated to my student who has a disability and drives using only his left hand. One of the challenges he faces while driving my car is using the indicator, which is located on the right side of the steering wheel. To assist him, I've created a custom linkage that allows him to easily access the indicator. In this video, I aim to help him improve his vehicle control, especially steering. I'll demonstrate how to steer the vehicle with one hand through turns and roundabouts. I hope this video will be beneficial not only for my student, but also for others with similar conditions. Without further ado, let's dive in.
Now I'm going to turn right, so indicator to my right. Okay, and I'm just looking left and right. Make sure there's no cars coming. And turn. Next time I'm going to turn right at the roundabout. So with the roundabout I've got to tilt slightly towards here, left, and then bring it to the right and indicate to the left. Okay. I'm going to pull over to the left side of the road and do a 3-point turn. Also just one hand. Indicate to my left, bring the car close to the curb, and checking my left mirror to make sure that everything is fine. Yeah. So now I'm going to do that 3-point turns, indicate to my right, looking over my shoulder, there's no cars coming. Turn, full turn, 1, and 2, checking all around, and 3. And that's a 3-point turn. Now I'm going to go straight ahead at this roundabout, so I will only indicate when I'm leaving the roundabout. So as I approach, reduce my speed, put my hand here about 2 o'clock position, and I'm moving here to indicate 2, and straight. Now at this roundabout I'm going to make a U-turn. I'm taking the 4th exit, so indicate to my right, position my hand at 2 o'clock. 1, 2, and I'm going to release the steering wheel, indicate. I notice that I've maintained my speed as I took that roundabout, went through that roundabout. Here I'm going to turn right, indicate to the right. Bring my hand to 12 o'clock. 1, 2, and indicate to the left, and straight ahead.
I hope you found this video helpful. If you have any questions or thoughts, leave a comment below. Share this video with friends who might benefit from it. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more great content. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.